Hello, this is Lucille Isadora Torres, bringing you another meditation in the Inner First Aid Kit series. This one is for persistent anxiety. Some kinds of anxiety, they come and go, they're situational, they're able to be completely eliminated with relaxation exercises or breathing exercises. But for people with anxiety disorders and people with more persistent anxiety, the goal is to reduce the anxiety and accept what's left. And so that's what this meditation is for. So we're going to breathe and settle. I'm going to start by just tuning into your body, where it's at. Notice how your toes feel, how your legs feel, how your bottom, your back, your shoulders, your hands feel. Just scan your body from toe to the top of your head. Just see how you're feeling. If you notice something significant going on in your body, just kind of make a note of it. And then keep scanning and notice the other sensations. And then you're going to scan again, just tuning into your feelings and the sensation of them. Just taking note. Not diving in or trying to figure anything out. Just take a note of the emotional state that you're in and how you feel it in your body. Notice where in your body you experience anxiety. And what exactly the sensation feels like. If you become overwhelmed, bring your attention to a part of your body that feels no anxiety, like your knee. But as long as it's not overwhelming, stay with the feeling of anxiety. As it feels the sensation, notice the sensation of it in your body. And try to pay attention to what texture it is. Is it smooth or rippled or bumpy? If it had a texture, what texture would it be? If it had a density, what density would it be? Would it be hard and tight or squishy and loose? flexible or rigid? Is it mobile or immobile? If it had a color, what color would it be? Now I want you to notice where the edges of it are. Where does it end? And what's on the other side of it? What's the feeling in the place where there's no anxiety, beyond the anxiety? In your body, as a sensation. Okay, now you're going to notice your breath. Just let it get a little bit. Don't try too hard or worry about it. Just notice the sensation of your in-breath and your out-breath and let it get a little more deep, a little more relaxed. Now as you breathe, the breath is coming to the anxious sensation in your body. And the breath is warm and loving and welcoming. Imagine that your breath is like a hug, like a presence that is fully welcoming, fully accepting. It's not trying to change or fix or make the anxiety go away. It's just sitting with it. Your breath is a visitation of love, and it comes naturally, and it goes naturally, and it comes again. And you can notice if the place of anxiety wants to move or change or shift. Might want to release some, relax some, shift shapes, unfold, communicate something. We're just going to hold space for it to do what it needs to do, what it wants to do. Holding a space of observation and care for it. wants to communicate anything, hear what it has to say and repeat it back to it. Let it know that it's been heard. You don't have to analyze or fix. Answer. Engage with. Just feel, hear, receive, and reflect, and reflect. And anything it wants to release can come out on your out breath. And the in-breath is warm and welcoming and caring. Just notice if it wants to shift or unfold, release, change shapes. And feel the breath in of warmth and love and compassion. If it wants to release anything, you can release it on the out breath. Again, if you feel overwhelmed at any point, you can bring your attention to a spot in your body that does not feel anxious. Knees are often good, especially the top of the knee. And now, if you want to continue, you can. If you want to go deeper and unfold some more, then you can pause the recording and stay with it. But if you're ready to wind up, what we're going to do is see that place of anxiety wrapped in a blanket of love and presence and compassion. See that place wrapped in an energy of acceptance and willingness. It's okay for it to be as it is. It's okay for it to shift and unfold. And it can be there. And also you can feel relaxation in all the other places where it isn't. Notice where you can release, where you can relax. Leave the ball of anxiety to be contained, to be supported and held. And then see if you can relax your shoulders. Release the tension in your shoulders. deep breath in, deep breath out. Relax your face. The muscles in your back relax. Maybe your hands can relax. And notice all the places that can relax, that are relaxing. And let them settle as if they're stretching out for a nap. Deeply settled, deeply relaxed, deeply joyful. These two things can exist at the same time in your being. There can be the place of anxiety, which is okay, which is held, which is accepted, which is okay, which is held, which is accepted, and also relaxation in other places. Deep, settled relaxation. Feel that relaxed energy, that curled up under a warm blanket in a cool evening. Relaxation spreading everywhere it can spread in your body. Don't worry about where it can't spread, that's okay. If there's places it can't go, that's okay. Pay attention to where it can go and let it go there. And as we complete the meditation, you can move forward, honoring and leaving space for persistent anxiety, and also giving energy and attention and appreciation for the places that can relax. And know that it's all okay. You're okay. And every little pocket of relaxation you can find gives you nourishment, gives you rest, and strengthens you. Blessings.